Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be talking today about lead pages and ClickFunnels, which I found easier and which made more sense to me and why I went that direction. And if going through this process and watching this video, you find that this information is good content for you and you've been looking for this kind of stuff, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and leave a comment. Let's start a little conversation going. What I found out about lead pages is lead pages helps you build a website, okay, landing pages for your website type of stuff. And that's all good and well, but I found out that ClickFunnels also does a website, but it also has follow-up. It walks you through the process of the sales. It's not just a sales page that you send people to. What happens is ClickFunnels will go ahead and send them emails. Okay, it gives them emails on, more yes or no. They don't have to navigate through your website to find out what they're looking for. You send, or the ClickFunnels will send them emails, yes or no, as it walks them through the process of the sales process. Now, if you're looking to start a web page because you want to sell something or you're looking to start something online, then I would look into ClickFunnels. Okay, you can click the description below. It'll take you through it. You'll get a 14-day trial. Now, also a free 14-day trial. Now, not also with a free 14-day trial, you'll be able to partner with me. And I also partnered with a mentor. He's very well known in the affiliate marketing business. And he is somebody that I partner with, and he's walked me through step by step how to set up my ClickFunnels account. And when I say step by step, he's got the videos. So with me, I am not that computer savvy whatsoever. I've decided to take this journey and I'm going for it all full bore. Okay. Sorry, mosquitoes. But anyways, he walked me through step by step. He showed me a video. Okay, I went through, I implemented the video. Then I went to the next video and the next video and the next video. Okay, until I had my ClickFunnels account set up. He walks you through on how to get your email set up. He walks you through on how to get your tracking software on. Okay, now, one thing I want to say to you guys that this is a business. Okay, if you're looking to get rich quick overnight, it's not going to happen. Okay, you're going to have to invest some time into this program. It is a very good program. I have been looking around at different things. Lead pages was one of the things that I looked at. But when I came across ClickFunnels, it made more sense to me. Okay, now, if you're looking to start a business and you want to partner with somebody and build the business together, let's do something. Okay, let's get together. Go ahead and click the link below. We'll get started, and he'll walk you through it step by step on how to set up your ClickFunnels account so that everything will work properly. That's the one thing that I did. Now, what you also have to do is you have to take the time to do it. Do it properly. This is what takes the most time, is getting it set up. Once you get your ClickFunnels account set up, okay, once it's set up, then you drive traffic to your opt-in page. Now, he's going to walk you through step by step different ways of sending traffic, whether it be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, whatever platform you want. He walks you through. He shows you how to do it. He shows you a better way of how to do it, how you can build your channel faster, how you can build your subscribers, how you can build your business. Okay, I was shocked when I saw this. It's a really good way to go. It's a great program that I feel. Now, what I did today is I went through and I started looking on how to build your channel. Okay, there's the 7 C's to building your channel, which I'll go over in another video. But every day I'm looking to find out what I need to do to build my business. Okay, they say you need to upload videos, so I upload videos. I got editing software, which that's going to take me some time to figure out because, like I said, I am not computer savvy. So my videos are going to be the best that they can be right now. They will get better over time. Another thing is you need to upload. Don't be afraid to put the videos up. Don't care what they look like right now. Just get in the habit of uploading videos. Upload a 10-minute video. Okay, get that started. Then as time goes on, then you start editing. You start working. You have to start from somewhere. Okay, not everybody comes in, nobody comes in and can master it off the bat. You have to learn. It's a learning process. Now, this is your business. So why not learn as you're building your business? If you want to spend a year going through researching, doing this, doing that, and all that kind of stuff, and then starting your business, you're still going to start somewhere. So you might as well start now and build your business. It's like my father used to tell me. If you're going to get out of school and you can't afford to go to college and you're not going to go to college, take a class a semester. Okay? If you're taking a class a semester, you're building it up, you're getting your college. So by the time you're 30 and you realize you may need a college education, you've already got some college under your belt. So this is the same principle. Okay? You don't know how to get your college education because you can't start a business because you don't know how. So if you're doing a little bit at a time and you're doing it on a consistent basis, meaning every day you're doing something for your business. If you're putting an hour in every day, and that hour is researching or learning how to do a thumbnail or doing a video or doing something for your business, you are achieving the goal of making your business and building your business. Okay? It's progress, not perfection. As long as you are doing something on a daily basis to your business, for your business, you are building your business. Let me say that again. If you are doing it on a consistent basis, if you only have an hour a day and you're putting that hour a day in every single day and you're consistent with it, you will start to build a business. Now, a lot of you guys out there say you don't have time for this, you don't have time for that, but when dinner's over, you're sitting down in front of the television from 7 till 11 o'clock. Okay? You have time to do something. Go take an hour. Take an hour and say, okay, after dinner, I'm going to go work an hour on my business. And go in there and do something, whether it's watching a video, whether it's learning how to edit, whether it's doing this or doing that or something for your business. And I guarantee if you are consistent with this, you will build a business. Okay? One of the things that I heard a while ago, somebody said to me is, do today what others won't so you can live tomorrow like others can't. And that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. My passion right now is to build an online business, to have the freedom to do what I want to do. Okay, you have to have a why. What is your why? Why are you watching this video? What is the reason you're watching this video? Are you looking for information? Are you just looking for entertainment? Because if you're looking for information, that's what I'm giving you, okay, is the information. You need to treat it like a business, act like a business. Look, I was a chef and I opened a restaurant, okay? I didn't become successful in that restaurant overnight. I had to put in a lot of hours. I had to put in a lot of time, and I had to put in a lot of my own money. Okay? Now, this is a business that I'm starting with very low money, very little money. Okay? You can, if you do this right, you could actually get this business started without it costing you anything. Let me say that again. You can get this started without it costing you anything. You get a 14 free day trial with ClickFunnels. Now, what I would suggest is that first 14 days, you get in there and you get your ClickFunnels account started up. Get it started up so that you can start doing and just sending traffic to it. Start your YouTube channel. Start your Facebook group. Whatever you want to do to build your channel, just find the platform, work on the platform, keep plugging at the platform, and if you are consistent, you will build a business. You will build a business, okay? And today, like I said, what I did is I went through and I watched how to build my YouTube channel. Okay, I watched a couple of videos on that. It gave me some ideas of what I need to do and how I need to build this business. I am also looking for people like you that want to start a business, that have no idea how to do it, and let's get together and let's work together to build our businesses together. Let's build our own little community of people just starting out that are positive minded and don't listen to the naysayers. Okay, I have a naysayer that is like, that's not going to work. You can't do it. You know what? You don't see what I see. So what we need to do is we partner up and we work together. And one more thing, again, I'm going to reiterate this again. Do today what others won't so you can live tomorrow like others can't. Okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.